Hey everyone, here's a message for you from your angel. And flow with the rhythm. It says your body is a wondrous thing, filled with light and love just for you. Create space today to move in tune with your body, finding a place where you can be alone. In silent or with instrumental music, let your body flow how it desires. Get lost in your rhythms and release any notion of how you can or should move. Do not worry how it may appear. Okay, so that is your message for today to flow with the rhythm. Take some time out today and the days ahead to move your body, put on your favorite music. Instrumental music will be great as well. And just moving that energy within your body to help it flow and to help connect with your spirit team. Okay, so I hope that resonates with you and I hope you have a beautiful day.